Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Cinco de Mayo project. So since this is Cinco de Mayo, I decided to make a project based on this. So let's go ahead and create our project. I'm skipping the intro since it'll be a long video. So let's go ahead and find a sprite. Could be anything. How about I choose dance because you dance on it? No. There's no people. Fantasy? No. Okay, we're gonna make an animation with the sprite. So let's make a backdrop or sprite. Okay, I'm gonna make a backdrop. And Bossa Nova, I think that's the best music for this. So we're gonna name this backdrop. I don't know what. It's just a backdrop because I don't know what to name it. It's a backdrop. So it's gonna walk, and then it's happy Cinco de Mayo. Okay. Now we're gonna find the grass. And this skeleton is in the grass. Okay. Now we're gonna color it in, fill it in. Now we're gonna add the sky, and we're gonna make the sky very neat and clean. Okay. So this is a sky. It's kind of weird, but I might be able to fix it. Let's connect these and boom, we're done. No, okay. Guess I have to color it. Okay. Let's make it the best way. So you have to make the sky the correct color and make the ground, the grass, a different color like this green. Color it in. And this is a project. No, it's not. We haven't added any code. Okay, this is gonna be on the front. So we're gonna fill this in. Okay, now this guy, he's supposed to be here. Actually, he's gonna be here. And then, yeah, I need to go and get we're gonna make this thing kind of like walking for a few seconds, and now we're going to go and add the sun to this. Okay, so the sun has to have, it's supposed to be yellow. You need to find yellow. There, it kind of looks like yellow. It's kind of orange because suns can be orange too, or red. So now let's add the lines. So I'm gonna just get this thing, and it's gonna be 10. So we have to drag and drop this thing again and drag out these lines to show the rays of the sun. These are the rays. I'm getting passed by the rays. Okay, that's why he's like, he's scared. He's scared that he's scared and that the sun's rays are on him. Actually, he's behind the rays, so nothing will happen because he's a skeleton. Okay, now we're gonna make him like, we're gonna make the second backdrop. So the second backdrop, we need to do this and say Cinco. And then what this means is that we're gonna say happy Cinco de Mayo here. So this doesn't have any outline. And we're going to make it like, what color should we make it? Red, yeah. Don't want to make it too harsh. Okay, and then we're gonna write that down. Oh yeah, and actually no, I want to do it this way. And the sensor will be changed to handwriting. we wrote it. Now we're going to, oh, corrections. They should always be made before making a project. Happy, it's happy. Okay, this is like a Spanish thing. Okay. And then he comes here and just goes, yay, or something. Or does the bossa nova. Okay, now we're going to make the skeleton right here. The skeleton's gonna be right here, and then he's gonna start dancing. I don't know. Okay, now we're gonna first start the code now. So first it needs to be at the sunny backdrop, and this skeleton needs to be at the edge. The edge. So the skeleton, I don't think it can move any further, can it? If it can't move further, then, oh yeah, I think this is how much further it can go. Okay, first, when green flag clicked, go to this position, and then it will keep walking, and let's see how many steps it has to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay, I think it needs to go 54 steps. So let's go ahead and write that down and put this there. Yeah, and we need to go make it go slow, so time to do 0.1 seconds. So it needs to go first at this position and start walking. I think it needs to go slightly slower. So let's try 0.3. Yeah, there we go. That's better. Okay, while it's walking, we need to duplicate this and say, we also need to keep doing the walk. Next costume. He's walking. I know. He's walking. Actually, I want to delete this sprite, actually make it a sprite. So I'm just gonna copy this whole thing, delete this sprite, and these are gonna be the only skeleton walking. So this is called skeleton walking. The corrections. Okay, now let's make another sprite. So I'm just gonna click paint. And when we get the sprite, when we paste it, it's gonna be, now this one's gonna be the one that's standing. So let's go ahead and make it like to the other backdrop and try that. Okay, he's supposed to be here. So when this is touching edge, then after this, then it's gonna disappear. So first it's gonna show, and then later it's gonna hide. We do the same thing here to make sure. And then when it hides, then it's gonna broadcast message. Remember my broadcast message video? Yeah, it's kind of like that. So I'm gonna say, let's name this. Okay, now we're gonna put it right there and do the same thing here. Okay, now when this receives the message, then it's gonna, so first when green flag clicked, it's gonna hide. And then when the broadcast message happens, then it's gonna show, and then it's gonna go to this position. And then it's gonna play bossa nova. So we need to find that. We need to find bossa nova. Okay, I know exactly what the song is. It matches. Okay, not. Bossa. Okay. No, not that. Cave. It's cave. Okay, it's cave. Okay, I think the This is the better one, best one. Okay, and now we're going to make this cave too because it's like a slower version of it. What happens if it's... That's way too slow. Okay, that's enough of that now. And we're gonna play cheer after that. So let's find the cheer. Cheers. Okay, so after this, it's gonna play cheer after the cave. Wait 1 second and do that. And then broadcast message. We're gonna broadcast message. So let's go ahead and use this broadcast message as that. And when we make the message, we're gonna call it dance. Make this thing dance. Okay, now when it receives dance, then it's gonna play sound cheer. And when it receives dance again, then it's gonna not play sound cheer, it's gonna start moving. 1, 2. Okay, 1, 1, 1, 2. So it's gonna move this and then this twice. 1, and then this twice. So let's try this. No. 15 degrees twice. Okay, now we're gonna try it. Whoa, that's super fast. Okay, we want it to turn only. No. Okay, we need to do negative 15 degrees. Okay. Okay, wait. So when this thing keeps walking, then it's gonna switch backdrop to the first one. And then when this happens, it's gonna switch to this one. Let's watch it right now. So what happens for the dance? No. That's a very cool sound. Okay, that's very too fast. Okay, now it's good. Okay, so we're gonna do this. It's gonna turn back and point in direction 90. Okay, good. Now this thing, it's gonna, okay, let's make this project now. Happy. Okay, so we're gonna share it. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is actually the, okay, I'm gonna pause and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I just shared this project and guys, you can check it out on my profile. So yeah, guys, that's the end of this video and I hope you enjoy this amazing Scratch project and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye guys. And have a happy Cinco de Mayo. Also, I'm going to change one thing in the outro. I'm going to change one thing just for special. Okay, so this is my first one in May. So I'm just going to find that. Other lots. Projects. Find it. Okay, there it is. Okay, I'm just going to do a few changes. what is this blank? Okay. So I'm just gonna like, how about I make this into like mini ones, copy paste. Paste. And paste. Okay, now we have enough squares. Okay, now let's change this background for like a nice Cinco de Mayo theme. Okay, what should I change it to? Black? This is black. No, I don't think so. Black. I want these things to be black. And this to be red. Actually, I want these to be red. And then the front to be light red. Okay, that's good. But this thing, maybe that has to be black. Okay, there we go. Now that's the theme. That's the theme. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And now I'm going to color in this thing, this color, so it will match. There. Okay, now this is a perfect theme. Okay, bye guys. That was a real goodbye. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you want more of these amazing videos. Tell me in the comments down below what kind of videos you want next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell if you don't want to miss out on any of my amazing Learn Sketch videos. Bye guys, see you next time. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I need to change that music to cave. Okay, let me go find that blank. The blank needs to be playing the cave 2, actually, because, okay, now it's gonna be playing cave 2. There, now it's gonna be playing an